Gavana wa kaunti ya Masako Mwandu wa Vinya Ndeti yasia kukusia atandiria kuka kaunti ya Masako ni kwende kupendwa kaunti ye na kumetwikithia bandu banene ba iwanda na maundu mao atandiria ainene ya kuya The River Seso ni ya kubingwa kwa kampuni wa kusevelu wa Indowade Hills. Gavana wa Vinya Ndeti ni wakulia kampuni o kuandika thukumi aingangi kuma kaunti ya Masako kuikilia kanane makwata mawia alame omathelese kweyukilia kiukwati bala minister wa uimi serikali nenene Mutai Kagwe ukwasia one wa ndithia nzeo ni wokatethia Africa kwithia NND ikathia gavana wa Vinya Ndeti nondo wa gusebya mawithululuko masio ma utandithia Benge.
Kaunti ya Masako ni yakwata uniko munene nthini wa sekta ya uimi na withia wa indo itina wa kubingwa kwa kampuni ya The Hus Kenya Animal Feed Production Plant and Retail Outlet ilai at The River County ya Masako.
Today is a proud moment for Machakos. We gather not just to launch animal feed production plant, but also to celebrate a bold investment in our people, our farmers, and our economy. The establishment of this mega plant with all retail outlets in Athi River signals confidence in Machakos County as a rising hub of agro-industrial growth.
Ainena chathene ki minister mubeani wa uimi na withia wa indo Mutai Kagwe ni waelesya kana kubingwa kwa kampuni wa The Hus wa The River ni utethesia kukidia ukwati wa mwene nthi wa nthi na kana kaunti ya Masako kumena nothengea ni wayo na kaunti ya Ilobi ni pamwe bala ene iyanda maende kwikithia kana ni makwata mwana ni kana kubingwa biashara sio.
We will empower youth in agribusinesses. We will strengthen rural economies and build investor confidence in Kenya. And I want to congratulate Governor Vinya Ndeti for the continued encouragement that she's giving to the companies that are coming to Machakos, and several of them are. And in discussions with the governor, we are also looking at the quality of life that people will have when they come to live in Machakos. Because what you are calling, you said from 40% to 60%, I think you even go beyond there. But I think what you must appreciate is that your county is now a cosmopolitan.
As a county government, we remain committed to creating an enabling environment for investors who share our vision of inclusive growth, youth empowerment, and rural transformation.
Ainene achathene ki Governor Her Excellency wa Vinya Ndeti ni wakathia walanyo wa The Hus kwa kubingwa company kaunti ya Masako nondu walanyo uno tethesia kubingwa ya mawe ya NND ma kaunti ya Masako.
This project is already creating impact. Currently, it's employing 85 people and projected to grow to 250 jobs at full production. This investment is changing lives. Even more encouraging is that Machakos residents currently make up 40% of the workforce, a number expected to rise to 60%.
Her Excellency wa Vinya Ndeti ni waikithia kana NND ma kaunti ya Masako nimeukwata mbeu ila sikithitwe ni mubea wa uimi ni kana kwiyumbanisya mbua ya mwei wa kana ila yukite.
Machakos farmers, you know the rains are coming. We are told from March, in about 2 weeks time, I'll be giving them seeds. I've already bought the seeds and certified seeds to give the farmers of Machakos County. So in 2 weeks time, I'll be able to give them that, and that increases production. Beyond employment, this outlet guarantees our farmers consistent access to highly quality, scientifically formulated animal feeds. To our farmers, this facility is for you. Take advantage of this training, the technical support, and the quality products available.
Ndilipotea va at The River County ya Masako, Nita wa Samuel Mbenge.